Do you ever catch yourself wishing your eyelashes were longer, fuller, thicker? You're definitely not alone. Every day, thousands of people look in the mirror and wonder why their eyelashes seem so thin, short, or even patchy. Maybe you're one of them. Maybe you've tried countless mascaras, false lashes, even serums, but nothing seems to give you that natural, luscious lash look. Well, today, we're diving deep into natural, effective, and time-tested home remedies that can help you grow thicker eyelashes without breaking the bank or risking your eye health. Before we get started, let us know in the comments where you're watching from and what time it is right now. We love seeing our community from all over the world. And if you're serious about beauty tips that actually work, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a video. All right, let's get into it. The hidden reason your eyelashes might be thinning. Let's be honest, when our lashes start to thin, most of us just think it's bad luck or age. But in reality, there are several reasons your lashes might not be growing the way they should. It could be age-related changes, a medical condition or hormonal imbalance, nutrient deficiencies, rubbing your eyes too harshly, or sleeping with your makeup on. Yes, we've all been guilty of that at least once. The first step to growing thicker lashes is simple: care. Taking proper care of your lashes is like tending to a garden. You need patience, the right ingredients, and gentle attention. And that brings us to our first natural remedy. Remedy number 1, castor oil. Nature's lash. Booster castor oil has been used for centuries to promote hair growth. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, which not only nourishes the hair follicle, but also helps fight bacteria that may hinder growth. Here's how to use it. Take a clean mascara wand or cotton swab. Dip it into pure castor oil. Apply it gently to your eyelashes before bed. Leave it overnight and rinse it off in the morning for an extra boost. Mix the castor oil with a few drops of vitamin E oil or aloe vera gel. Do this every night for 2 to 3 months, and you'll likely start to notice fuller, healthier lashes. Remedy number 2, olive oil. Nourish and strengthen. You probably have this in your kitchen right now. Olive oil is rich in essential fatty acids and antioxidants that condition and strengthen your lashes. To apply, warm a few drops of extra virgin olive oil. Dip a clean mascara wand or cotton swab into it. Apply it just like you would mascara, coating from root to tip. Leave it overnight and rinse in the morning. Do this daily for a few months and get ready to say hello to thicker, darker lashes. Remedy number 3, aloe vera. Vitamin-rich and soothing, aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which promote healthy hair growth. There are 2 simple ways to use it. Option 1. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on your lashes with a clean brush before bed. Leave it on overnight and rinse in the morning. Option 2. Mix 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, tablespoon jojoba oil, teaspoon chamomile infusion. Apply it twice a day. Let it sit for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Repeat daily for a few months for best results. Quick tip: always wash the aloe thoroughly to remove latex compounds that might irritate your eyes. Remedy number 4, egg and glycerin, a protein powerhouse. This one might sound a little unusual, but it works. Eggs are packed with protein and biotin, perfect for strengthening your lash strands. Here's what to do. Beat 1 egg with 1 tablespoon glycerin until creamy. Use a cotton swab to apply the mixture to your lashes. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then wash off with cold water. Repeat 3 times a week for noticeable improvement in texture and volume. Remedy number 5, green tea, antioxidant-rich lash tonic. Green tea isn't just a health drink, it's also great for your lashes. It's rich in flavonoids that stimulate lash growth and help them grow thicker and longer. Steps: brew a cup of unsweetened green tea and let it cool. Dip a cotton swab in it and apply from root to tip of your lashes. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing with cool water. Do this twice a day for 2-3 months. And remember, don't get it in your eyes. Remedy number 6, coconut milk. Silky, soft, and strong. Coconut milk is high in proteins and healthy fats that feed your follicles and boost lash growth. Try this. Soak a cotton swab in fresh coconut milk. Apply to your lashes and leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse off gently. Use once or twice a day, and you'll notice softer, shinier, and fuller lashes over time. Bonus tips: everyday habits for healthier lashes. Be gentle. Avoid rubbing your eyes aggressively. Remove makeup every night. Never sleep with mascara on. Eat a nutrient-rich diet. Your lashes need vitamins too. Supplement if necessary. A multivitamin can help, but always ask your doctor first. Stay consistent. Natural remedies take time. Don't give up after a week. Final thoughts. There's no magic solution for thicker lashes overnight, but with a little care and consistency, you can absolutely achieve naturally fuller, healthier lashes. Whether you choose castor oil, aloe vera, or green tea, the key is to stay committed and treat your lashes with love. Now we want to hear from you. Comment below where you're watching from and what time it is right now, and let us know which remedy you're going to try first. Or if you've already tried one, share your experience with the community. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and most importantly, subscribe and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on more natural beauty tips every week. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.